Students, in this video we are going to study about preparation of aromatic aldehydes by using oxidation of methylene with chromium oxide CrO3. So how the reaction takes place, let's see. If toluene means CH3 group, again I can write here its structural formula CH3 attached with the benzene ring. So this CH3 is attached with the benzene ring and the name of this compound is toluene. So toluene when undergoes oxidation in presence of CrO3, it react with acetic anhydride. So acetic anhydride, formula of acetic anhydride is CH3CO OCOCH3. So to balance this reaction required 2 molecules of acetic anhydride CH3COO COCH3. When this acetic anhydride undergoes reaction with toluene in presence of, the oxidation takes place in presence of chromium oxide CrO3. Now here partial oxidation takes place and the bond between this hydrogen CH and again one more CH bond breaks, and during this breaking of the bond between C and O, oxygen and carbon, breaks in this acetic anhydride homolytically. The bond breaks in this acetic anhydride from this side. So this hydrogen is replaced and this carbon is bonded with the COCH3 group. This hydrogen is replaced with this carbon and this via this oxygen the bond is formed with the oxygen, and we get, so what we get, the product, intermediate product CH as it is, and at this position OCOCH3, again OCOCH3 group is attached to this benzene, and the name of this compound is benzylidene diacetate. The name of this intermediate compound, this carbon is bonded with the benzene ring as it is, and the name of this compound, intermediate compound, is benzylidene diacetate. This reaction takes place at cold condition about 273 to 283 Kelvin, means 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. The reaction takes place in presence of CrO3. Now this benzylidene diacetate further undergoes acid hydrolysis, and finally, so this benzylidene diacetate further undergoes acid hydrolysis, means addition of water takes place. So we can write H3O plus on the arrow and we get, so the bond between this carbon and oxygen breaks, and second carbon and oxygen from here. So the bond breaks in between the carbon and oxygen, and we get a final product is nothing but benzaldehyde. So benzylidene diacetate is converted into benzaldehyde with the replacement of, so byproduct are replaced, which is with this COCH3 combined with this H2O, and we get 2 molecules of acetic acid are removed as a byproduct. So benzaldehyde is formed with the replacement of acetic acid. So here we get benzaldehyde. So preparation of benzaldehyde from toluene by using oxidizing agent CrO3, and this is the partial oxidation by using oxidizing agent like chromium oxide. Okay, so this is the most important method for the production of benzaldehyde from toluene. So once again see here, when this toluene treated with acetic anhydride in presence of CrO3 at 273 to 283 Kelvin, we get benzaldehyde diacetate as an intermediate product, which on further acid hydrolysis finally it is converted into benzaldehyde. But instead of CrO3, if this toluene undergoes oxidation with strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4, complete oxidation takes place, and finally again we get its corresponding complete oxidized product is nothing but benzoic acid. So toluene is converted into benzoic acid if KMnO4 acts as an oxidizing agent.